Hello there guys, it's Godson once again here, the Passive Income Warrior. Today I'm going to be going over the second part of my presentation where I looked at email marketing software and platforms that are used for online marketing, or that anyone that is thinking about starting email marketing, who is an online marketer, who maybe is looking at different email marketing platforms. What are the options you have out there? So in case you don't know which one to actually look at. So I went through some of the benefits and the features and the different platforms, the different prices and the different levels that you can come in at as well. I looked at some ones that were in the market, but today what I'm going to be doing is just to quickly go over I think 3 of the most popular ones that you tend to find there among those that are in affiliate marketing or those that are online marketing. The 3 of the most popular ones that you tend to find more that are more out there really. So let's make a start. So the first one I'm going to look at is GetResponse. GetResponse is the one that when I actually started, this was the one that the platform that I went with, because it's quite easy to use as well. So if you look at the picture here, it kind of gives you an overview of so the price starts at $15 a month. You get the standard things like email templates. This comes with hundreds of email templates that you can get, automated sales funnels, and then you also get support, which is 24/7 as well. Now this one comes with a 30-day free trial. I remember when I was starting, this was one of the things that made me kind of use it out, jump on this platform, because I did not have a lot of money then, so something you could start off with using the service for free. So it provides you with an all-in-one solution. You got all the automation tools as well. All the features that you want from an email marketing platform, things like autoresponders, being able to build your landing pages, your autoresponders, being able to send out emails, automated emails, then all the analytics as well, the open rates. You can see the emails that are doing well, and with that you can tweak your campaigns. They've even over time they've thrown in things like a webinar software as well. So basically all the other things that you need, anything that you need from a good email marketing platform that you can use to generate that you can use to manage your lead generation and stuff like that, it's all in this tool. Okay, you got your workflows as well. Okay, and you can use this to kind of handle your customer, your list, your buyers list, and be able to continue to even build your list and your assets, because your list is one of your greatest assets as an online marketer. Right, so one of the key things that are really one of the key things about this company GetResponse is that they offer something called the auto funnel. You can use this for to create leads for your webinars, your sales, and all that stuff. It's automated, okay, and that makes it really, and it's auto. But the thing about the tool as well, even though it's automated, it's also very easy to use. Okay, I've spoken already about how you can get things like emails, your automations. You can also integrate your e-commerce into this platform as well. You also get your exit pop-ups. Okay, this is to kind of help those that are leaving your website. This thing will pop-up will come up, and that will help to retain even your customers more. So it doesn't matter if you're a beginner or you're a little bit more advanced. This has all the tools that you can really use to grow your subscriber list and continue to monetize your email list. So I've talked about the automation. So once they get into your funnel, everything is automated from that point on. and you can generate reports that you can use to optimize your campaigns as well. Now this is just a little bit of a picture here to kind of give you an overview of some of the things that you see from the platform, some of the features that you're going to get. I just wanted to capture this on this. I found this image, it was quite a good image. I'm using this to kind of give you a picture of some of the stuff that you can get. So you can see all these things like exit pop-up forms, order forms, confirmation pages, abandoned cart emails, follow-up emails. These are all the stuff you can get with this tool. Okay, considering the fact that you can start this 30 days free, I mean, it's really good. Now let's look at the pricing, because obviously everything comes down to price. So we've talked about you can start at $15 a month, even though you have 30 days as well to start for free. But the basic plan, after the 30-day free offer, you've got the basic plan, which is $15 a month, which gives you basically all the tools you need as a beginner. You get your autoresponders, you get your landing pages, you get your you can have one sales funnel, you can generate as much leads as you want, and you can integrate this with your e-commerce store as well. The plan up from that one, it goes up to $49 per month. You have an automation builder you can get 5 sales funnels. You can do your webinars, which can include up to 100 attendees on your webinar, and also includes your CRM software. Now the level up from there, professional one, is at $99 a month. This comes with automation builder with unlimited workflows. You can get webinars up to 300 people attending. Obviously, this is for those that are more advanced users. Unlimited sales funnels, unlimited webinar funnels. And then the top level, this is for those that need a lot more. You can get a custom pricing, and this comes with other things like transactional emails, a webinar for up to 500 attendees, and then other things you can get your dedicated account managers. These are for big companies. Now the prices that I've given you so far, that are based on having 1,000 subscribers. So as your list increases, obviously what you pay also increases. Okay, and it tells you, this kind of gives you a rundown of some of the things you get, the templates you get, the email templates you get, the landing pages you get, number of forms templates you get. Just wanted to capture this quickly on this slide. Number of automated funnels you get, the integrations you're allowed, and then obviously 24/7 support. So to really get the most out of your out of this platform, obviously the plus plan is going to be really good because it comes with a CRM software as well. Obviously it depends on if you're just a beginner or more advanced user. So these are some of the things. Instead of just getting email software, you're also benefiting from being able to build your landing pages, your webinar, your automated lead funnels, or stuff like that. So obviously if you go with the annual plans, you tend to get some discounts as well. Now the other one that is quite popular as well, very as popular as GetResponse, is AWeber. Now AWeber starts at $19 a month, so just a little bit $4 difference. And this you can also start for free here. Okay, this is great if you have less than 500 subscribers. It also comes with the standard tools like your A/B testing, where you can test different landing pages, automation tools, and the hundreds of pre-built templates. So this is a traditional, this is one of those that has been here since I started doing affiliate marketing or email or online marketing. AWeber and GetResponse have always been ones that have always been there. Okay. If you wonder just starting, it's another one that you can, if you have less than 500 subscribers, it's a good one to actually start off with. Okay. So this platform, you get all the features and plans at different price points. Okay. So at every plan that you have, you get all the features. Some of these other companies, if you don't come in at a high price, you might not get all the features you need. But this one, AWeber, is such that you get all the features at every price plan. So the pricing, as your number of people on your list increases, you get more, you pay more as the number of contacts or people on your list increases. Now let's have a look at the overview of what the pricing looks like. So from 0 to 500 subscribers, you'll be paying $19 a month. 501 to 2500, you'll be paying $29 a month. Then the next plan up from that one up to 5,000 is $49 per month. Then up to 10,000 subscribers, you'll be paying $69 per month on this one. And then up to 25,000 subscribers, this is $149 per month is what you pay on that one. The user interface is very, very user friendly. You get all these services. So looking at the trigger campaigns, this is for all subscribers. So the UI is quite user friendly, and this is the one of the good things about this platform. The UI is really user friendly. So this is kind of the how it looks. Some of the if you want to generate like a report, this is the way the report comes out. So this is just overview of what you get. Over 700 pre-built templates, drag and drop email builder, obviously your A/B testing, your automation, third-party integrations, analytics for your emails that you send out. So email deliverability, the deliverability rates for AWeber are really good, and you always hit your inboxes of your subscribers, which obviously is the whole point of doing email marketing. Now the last one I'm going to speak about before we round up this is ConvertKit. Now this is a little bit more pricey than the other two that I've looked at, but this is quite popular for bloggers and content creators. This is a little bit more pricey, but it's quite popular as well for YouTubers and influencers and stuff like that. It also starts with a 14-day free trial. Now it's it's quite popular among lots of people. Okay, so those that you see a lot of influencers, online influencers, bloggers use this platform. Okay, they have obviously it comes with the standard landing pages, e-commerce. You can integrate with e-commerce and membership sites. You're able to create leads for customers and from Facebook pages and all that stuff. You can build your automated email funnels at good prices. Okay, so it's quite a good option, and the services is very user friendly as well. This is Pat Flynn. This is one of those guys that when I just started looking at online marketing, he was one of those that kind of got me started. He's been with ConvertKit from day one. Okay, I think this is an advert he did for them. Right, so to set up automated, so they kind of have a visual workflow that walks you through setting up your automated funnels and stuff like that. Okay, so instead of having multiple lists, ConvertKit tends to group your subscribers or your subscribers into just one list, and then you're able to tag them, okay, and segment your list based on how they behave. Okay, so that helps you to improve your personalization of your campaigns. So anyone that has you tend to find ConvertKit is quite popular with those that have big audiences and stuff like that. Okay, so it's really good for sending quick emails with clean formatting. There's no complex designs, and that's one of the key features of this platform. Now the pricing, 0 to 1,000 subscribers, $29 a month. Up to between 1,000 and 3,000 is $49 per month, and between 3,000 and 5,000, $79 per month. So if you want to switch, if you got maybe more than 5,000 and you want to switch over to ConvertKit, you get a free, you can switch for free. Okay. Okay, so they also, one of these companies, they also tend to offer a deal when you pay on, when you go on the annual plan. So if you go on an annual plan with them, you save about 2.5 months. So they have about 70 third-party integrations are available. Okay, obviously this comes with also custom reporting and email support 24/7 as well. All right, so if you really want to find out more, you can sign up for the 14-day trial and test it out for yourself and see how you feel. Obviously, this is a little bit more expensive than GetResponse and AWeber, but it's still a very popular option. Okay, so these are the 3 that I wanted to just jump on to talk about very quickly. If you're still considering, these are the most popular ones that you tend to see among those that are starting off online marketing. So I hope this short video has given you a little bit insight into the 3 most popular email marketing software out there in the market. So thank you very much. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.